Question 9. Solve the following equation. Given your solution as fraction. Okay. It means you will have the new form of the result. Question A. 4x plus 5 equal to 8, and the first operation I will apply is minus 5. The second one is minus 5. This becomes to the 4x minus 5. You will have 3 here, and 4 times x is mean you need to divide by 4. You will have x and 3 divide by 4 at the same time. You got 3 over 4. Yes, 3 over 4 will be the first result for question A. About question B, a little quite easier. You got 5k and 27 here, minus 3, and this one is minus 3, 5k for this 24, and then divide by 5. This is divide by 5, and here is k and 24 divide by 5. That is question B. Go on for question C. Two sides of this equation, a little must be w plus 7 multiply 2. The first thing I need to apply the operation is divide by 2. Because after divide by 2 for both sides of this equation, you will have 11 here, but in the right hand side only have 3w plus 7 inside the bracket or not, it doesn't matter. And the next one, this is a little bit harder because you have to apply at least three operation. Minus 7 for now. Here is 4 minus 7, 3w, and 3w is mean divide by 3. This one divide by 3. 4 divide by 3, you will got w in here. Yep. Question D. About question D, here is 10, 3 multiply 2 plus x, and this one will be divided by 3. This is divided by 3 at the same time. Here is 10 divided by 3. This is 2 plus x like this one. And then the next operation have to be minus 2. Minus 2 in here, 10 over 3 minus 2. And the right hand side will be x. 10 over 3 minus 2 is mean 6 over 3. So you will got 4 over 3 and equal to x here. Okay, that is question D. Go on for question F. Here is question E. 3, 8 plus 1 divided by 2. So the first operation is multiply 2. Here is 6. 8 plus 1. And minus 1 in here. Minus 1. This is 5. This is 8. And then 8 will be 5 divided by 8. Divide by 8 now. Okay. And the next one you got question F. 3 x plus 2 equal to 7. Divide by 3. This is divide by 3. X plus 2, 7 over 3. And minus 2 left, minus 2 right. And then 7 over 3 minus 2. You got 7 over 3 minus 6 over 3 equal to 1 over 3. Okay, that is question F. The next question you got here is solve the following equation algebraically. Much more question solution. These are the negative number. Okay, we continue practice with the negative number. Question A. 4r plus 30 equal to 2, and minus 13 for left and minus 13 for right. 4r equal to minus 28, and after that divide by 4 here. Divide by 4 now. You will got here is r, and minus 28 divided by 4, you got minus 7. Question A we done. About this question, we got here is plus 12 equal to 6. Yeah, minus 12 will be here, minus 12 will be here. 2x will be left, minus 6 will be right. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So here is 8, this one is minus 3. Minus 3, okay. Question C. About question C, we got here is 10 plus t over 2 equal to 2. Minus 10, and this is minus 10. And t over 2 equal to minus 8. T over 2 is mean multiply 2 here, multiply 2 here. This is t, and this is minus 30. Sorry, minus 16. This is question C. Going for question D. Y over 4 plus 10 equal to 4. The first step will be minus 10 for subtract y over 4. Minus 10 left, minus 10 right. Y over 4 will be here. 4 minus 10 equal to minus 6. And multiply 4 and multiply 4. Here is y, here is minus 24. Here is minus 24. Okay. The next question is question E. Minus 3, 8, 15. Yep. Divide by minus 3. Divide by minus 3. This one also be divided by minus 3 inside the bracket. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 equal to 1. 15 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 5. Question F. For 2k plus 22. So minus 22 equal to minus 18. Yes, the left hand side and the right hand side will be 2k. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Here is minus 9 and this one will be k. Minus 9 and k. Yeah, that is question F. The next question is question J. 2h equal to 12 minus 12. And divide by 2, of course, this is divide by 2. Here is 8 and this one is minus 6. Question 8. 5h plus 20 equal to 0. So for here, the first operation will be minus 20. After minus 20, the left hand side only have 5h left. 0 minus 20 equal to minus 20. And then divide by 5. Divide by 5 for left and right. You got minus 4 in this one. Okay. And the last question is question I. About this question, it's quite easy, right? 2h plus 3 minus 3 now, minus 3 now. And here is 2h. Divide by 2, divide by 2, minus 3 over 2 equal to 8. Yeah, of course, that is question R.